Hey all. Today I'm going to show you how to mount it. Wall mount. A mount from by Mount It Products for a 43-inch television. So, what I did, I think I needed a different mount for this television. I don't know if you can see that, but I got the holes. Where's the stupid? Okay, so I got the holes like here and here. So it calls for like a. It says a Visa mount, wall mount. But I'm gonna try and use this one by Mount It. And so I found out where the screws are going to work in there, I think, and hold it up here. And it's going to mount like right in here, so I figure I can't. Let's see, I was trying to think if I could move this down. I was trying to figure out where I could line up the screw holes and still be able to screw them in. And so I'm thinking this will probably work, and the weight will mostly be like right here. I'm hoping that'll be all right. I wonder if this is not the right wall mount for this, so maybe if I move it down to there. But then I don't know if I can get these screws in here. I really don't want to have to unscrew this little bracket thing here just to get that on there. So I'm going to try it like right here. I know it looks kind of weird. This is sticking up right here, and it'll mount right here, but I think those will be strong enough. Where am I? Can't find the camera on this stupid thing. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So I'm going to try it right here. Let's just see what happens. I know I have the wrong mount, so you might want to check into that before you get a mount for your TV. So, anyway, we're going to go. I measured from where it's going to mount down, so that's about 12 inches or so. So on the wall, then I figured I'd come up about this high and another 12 inches down, so the TV will sit right about here. And that's okay because I have like a couch over here, and the TV is like 22 inches high, so it'll come up to about here. So if anyone's up in the loft, they'll be able to see, or on the futon they can see. So that'll give me my TV right about here. So you want to figure out where you're going to be based on where your viewership is going to come from. So I didn't have a pencil. This is out in my tree house here, so I marked a couple of spots on the wall with my fingernail since I didn't have a pencil, and there. So they're right here and here. So I want to figure out along here where the studs are. But I need to make sure this is level, so okay. So right about there is level. So once again, studs about right here, over here. So I'm just gonna kind of draw with my fingernail. This should all be behind the mounting bracket anyway. So simply kind of get like a line there with my fingernail. Okay, so using the tried and true method with the finishing nail along side to the left to find the edge of it. Okay, so that's going right through. That's hitting it. So we know one's on the side. We'll go a little bit about 1/2 inch to the right. Still hitting the stud. And a little bit more to the right. Okay, still hitting a stud. So I'm thinking one more to the right, a little bit more. Okay, and it's through. So I can tell that my stud is about from here to right here. Okay, so then we're just going to come over 16 inches. Where did I put my... Did you move my tape measure? Did you move my tape measure? So we're waiting on the child to get the tape measure. Okay, so we're going to come over. So I know the stud is about right here to right here. So I'm going to measure in the middle of that. I don't know if you can see that. Come over 16 inches. So we're going to come over 16 inches from there. And should be right in the middle there. So down just a bit. Okay, so we hit, but I just want to make sure that I get the center of it. So I'm going to come left a little bit. That's hitting it still. So I'm going to come left a little bit more. Still hitting it. Alright, so I'm going to come left a little bit more. And that's going through. So I think so. We kind of know our stud's right about there. That one went right through, right? Yes. Okay. So we know our stud is right about there. So I want the bracket to be faced up here. I want it. Man, I could really use a pencil. Because this. So I want to bring it down just a little bit there. But man. I would highly recommend using a pencil if you're gonna do something like this. Let's see here. 'Cause I really need to. Yeah.